Friends, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to paste text in a Word document without any formatting. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, so at the top of my document here, I'm going to simply do Control V because I have some text here that I've copied with formatting. So if I do Control V, you realize that this text is pasted with formatting, right? So you have some large font, some bold, and some different text here. But the lower part of the text is pasted without any formatting. Now I'm going to remove this text by simply pressing Ctrl Z. Now in order to paste this text without any formatting, there's two ways to go about doing that. You can right click anywhere on your Word document, right? And then you will have under the paste option, you have a bunch of options here. You want to select the one that says paste text only, right? If you do that, it's going to paste the text without any formatting, as you can see there. Let me Ctrl Z for a moment there. And the second way how you can do that if you're using Office 365 is by simply pressing the Ctrl, Shift, and V on your keyboard, and that will help you to do it. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.